go in the cave?
Ready to go in the cave?
Close your eyes and hold your breath.
That's nothing but flies, huh?
Yeah. Close your eyes and hold your breath.
Alright, let's do it.
Go sideways through here.
Whoa! Oh. There's flies everywhere. Hold on, I gotta take off my backpack. I can't go. Oh, look at that. So many of them.
Yeah, come on.
I gotta take off my backpack. If I can go through sideways.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. I can feel them everywhere. There's so
ready?
many
Yeah,
flies.
they're gonna be all over you.
Oh, there's so many. Okay, let's go.
Can you fit through here?
Yeah, just got one in my mouth. So gross. Oh, there's flies everywhere in that thing. Alright, let's go. That's fine. They'll be fine. I need to wash them anyways.
They're wet. Be very careful right here.
How deep is it?
It's not that deep, but it's got holes everywhere.
Okay. Wow, it's really cool.
Hold on to that rock. You're gonna go down to your crotch, probably.
Lord of the flies back there, huh?
Yeah, they're all gonna just like,
Hey,
oh my
puppy.
God. And these are the rocks I almost hit over there.
Oh, wow. So nice.
Yeah.
Super cool.
This is where I was going.